Good morning. Oh, there's already a little bit of rain on the lens. So, out with Mike this morning. It's raining a little bit. I got the raincoat on, trying to keep everything as dry as I can. Try not to cover the mic with my finger. There's Mike's new unit. SCX-10-3, stopped filming the plants. L70 body, all kinds of fixings on it. He's really proud of his bucket. There's his bucket. He's got an ARB bucket. What wheels? No, the wheels? Not the tires?
Oh, RC four-wheel drive spiders.
How many hours?
Too much.
And then 1900 kV hobby wing? Fusion? Running on 3-cell. There's a little bit of body rub in the front. Probably take care of that at some point. But trying to keep the camera out of the ring, 'cause I'm pretty sure this one is not waterproof. Yeah, all these old overturned chunks of concrete are a staple in the old refinery drive. No lights on Relic right now, which I probably should have plugged them in because it looks better. So much better. Non-censored. Are you running censored, Mike? That's where you got to give her a little. Oh yeah, that's what the stinger is for. He's got running Squeakums drive shafts. You gotta give her a little hippity hoppity. Holy shit! Oh. It's a tough corner if you want to stay high anyways. Don't have to. Come on, Relic. There it is. What? What size of battery were you running?
No. Transmitter.
Oh. Okay, hold on.
Nice.
Oh. Come on, baby. Too much money in the bank.
I'll fucking Austin Powers in the hallway now.
Well, if you guys should be able to hear that, that's thunder. We're hoping for the best here today.